Okay, guys, welcome back to Kenzie Poultry Farm. Okay, I'm on my way to the farm. Let's go and see how big the brother chicks are on their 15th day in the farm. So you guys can also comment and tell me whether I'm doing well or I'm not doing well. Let's go and see how big the brother chicks are. You get me? So, but don't be surprised. I'll show you. They are doing well. They are doing really well. As in, if you see their weight, now see how big the farm is now. So they can have space to grow and also grow fast. Now I see this one over there. Let's check the weight. Whoa, come over here, come over here. Can you believe this? They are wow. Can you see them? They are really doing great. Today I expanded the farm. Normally the space was too small, but today I expanded